Hi friends, what a beautiful evening. Check out this. Is this not magical? Absolutely magical. I can tell you now, everything looks happier. And even this dam, like it's been the tiniest little bit of water that we have got a little bit of rain. But even that is just looking so much happier. And the birds are out. It is such a beautiful evening, and we are forecast for rain to start. I think it's about, 5:30, 5:45 in the evening, and they're saying at about 7 o'clock there's going to be some more rain. And if you look at those big clouds over there, they look like they might have some rain in them. I am so happy. And then they reckon we are going to get 10 mil overnight. So I think it is going to be beautiful tomorrow. That's why I'm so glad I got so many videos, because this is going to change. Well, you can just see in one little rain, that there's just green, popping up everywhere. Just from one little bit of rain. It's just crazy. Oh, I tell you, this is just my favourite time of the year, the next 8-12 weeks, where everything turns green and beautiful, and it is just, the dam fills up, hopefully my brook fills up. It is just honestly one of my most favourite times of the year. This paddock here, I didn't mow this summer, and that's the back of my dam, and I reckon that's a spring, which I'll bring back. And then on the other side of my dam is another paddock that I also didn't mow, because what I'm going to try and do is really thicken these two paddocks up, because they're around my dam. I want them to be full of trees and shrubs and food, really, and they pretty much get a free feed all the time, because you think it's the end of March, and as I said, we have, apart from yesterday, we haven't had any rain, and look how green it is here. And look, lots of bulrushes. Again, that just needs some Pammy TLC, some seeds, some reeds, obviously. You know, I really just want to try and mimic what was already, or what would have been here before. I don't want to bring in, especially to waterways like this, and this waterway is very important because it goes from my neighbour on this side, on the other side of my brook, sorry about the wind guys, and then it comes down here, and then it goes to my other neighbour, and he's got cows and horses and sheep, and then it goes even past his house. So, you know, what we all do matters, and it matters to all of us. So I really want to be, the class favourite, and I want to do everything that I can to get maximum, return. I've just noticed moss here. So down around my big gum trees, which is actually another part of the dam, I took some of this and put it in my tree of life, my little bonsai. And oh my gosh, the nutrients in that. So that would definitely be a great place to grow, a really great, probably, one of those river she oaks, or one of those beautiful willow trees. There's so many beautiful things that you can grow that really will complement living here by your dam and by your brook. They're not going to draw all the water out. They're actually going to, keep water in them, because that's what they are. If they are used to living around waterways, then they know when to hold back water, when to, drink a lot. They're very, very clever, our nature. But our trees, honestly, are just amazing. And I am just learning so much being out here and watching and seeing what it's doing every single day, and then seeing what I can do to complement her or to help her along, and so that she just flourishes. Because gosh, I just feel so privileged to be able to do this. And I promise you, this is really dear to my heart. I will make sure that our land is going to look beautiful and flourishing for all our native animals. That's what I want my block to be, a native animal sanctuary where they can come here, they can breed, because we've got to have safe breeding places for our native animals. And we have got so many endangered, so many. We are losing just so many. Like in my dam, my long-necked tortoises, they are native to this part of WA and very common in our waterways, but nobody knows anything about them. So I am going to learn some things, because I have a lot of turtles or tortoises in my dam, and I love them. See, there's another creature underrated. We live among some of the most amazing creatures, and I want to show you how they live in the wild and what they do. Have a beautiful night enjoying this beautiful, stunning world that we have been gifted with.